Hey, good morning. I am currently Fort Myers Beach, a place called the Surf Club, in a parking spot. It costs $10 a day to park here all day long. Right across the street is the beach, and so I'm just going to hang out here all day. And I'm going to do a little work though and measure the top of the camper here and see if it's big enough for the solar panels. Harbor Freight has a set that is 39 inches long and 56 inches wide, and then 7/8 inch thick. So I'm going to measure. I think I have enough room. I know it's more than 39 this way, and I know it's about 56 this way. So I may do that just to charge this one battery, and then I can use it on the boat. So let's measure it up and check it out. I'll show you my view. That's my view out the window. Oh yeah, be big enough that way. Be big enough that way. Yeah, I'll have plenty of room. So we'll do that. We'll get some solar panels, stick it up on top, charge a battery with, and I need to get a bigger inverter. I know this ceramic heater won't work on just the one battery or the one small inverter that I have. So, and I'll get a big one over time. I can't get it all in one weekend, one trip. So that's kind of why we're doing this, a shakedown trip to see what I can survive on and see what I need. And of course the river's going to be a lot different. So just living the life. I'm going to take some pictures of the beach today, or try to anyway, and get them on here, some video. So we'll talk to you soon.
Down to 22. It will go about 35.
Did you build it? Did you build it?
Yeah. Yeah, we can use any hardwood.
How many pieces? This is a separate piece, right?
That's multiple pieces.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see now.
Everything is laminated for strength. There's many layers. Like back here, this is 9 lanes. How do you learn how to do this?
Yeah, I did 60 in the last couple of days.
I can't imagine that.
Walk around here. Pretty amazing, eh?
Yes, it is. Very talented.
We have all the time in the world.
Doing laundry in paradise. Some things you just have to do. But hey, at least it ain't cold and there's no snow. Doing some things to the camper, like moving the lock, doing some cleaning on it. It's going really well. It's a little nippy at night, but it warms up during the day. Good morning, y'all. Hey, just sitting down here in South Florida. Still going to be a beautiful day. It's New Year's Day, matter of fact. 2018. Going to be a great year. But I'm going to do some maintenance here. I've got to check the oil in the truck and the water and the tires and all that good stuff. But I have a battery that's sitting in the back, and I've had to run my electric blanket and my fan and things like that off of it, and it's kind of drained it down a little bit. And I've been thinking, how in the heck am I going to charge it up? I don't have any solar panels yet, but I am going to get them, and don't want to take it someplace because they charge you an outrageous fee to charge a battery. So I'm going to exchange it for the one in the truck. And then I'm going to drive up north to a couple of sailboat lots and give it time to charge up. And it's not fully drained, so it should be able to start the truck, but if it doesn't, I can always jump it from the battery that I'm taking out. So just wanted to bring this to you and let you see what I'm doing, and we'll go from there. Pretty cool to have tools and everything you need to do stuff like this. Battery charger. The battery tester, I should say. unhook this battery, take it out. And put the other one in and see if it'll charge it. Alright, that might not work. I'll just leave that off for the time being. Now, let's see if it's going to start. Okay, it did not start. So, we're going to try to jump it with this other battery. Don't know if this is going to work, but thought I'd try it. I do need to get a solar panel. Let's see if this does it.